All right. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay, ready?
You got it?
Okay, can we just drop it?
Away from the wall, you can drop it, I don't care.
You started letting down on your side. How are you getting... What? How are you gonna make this fit? The what? Plywood. So, are we just gonna hold it here?
No, you're gonna hold it. Well, I'm measure.
Oh, look at that. Well, howdy.
How we doing?
Oh, you know, we're just support.
Where's Ryan at?
He's in there.
Inside? Okay.
Yep. Stop and toss that guy.
Like the monk that
Monkey
orangutan
in the-
on the Jungle Book is holding up his castle. He's like, nah, I'm the king of the swingers of the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me.
Oh, do it, do go put it on me like you. No,
Question. Why do we have to hold this up? Why can't he just measure this area, and then measure this, and then subtract this area from that area, and then divide what's left over?
Hey, Brad.
Ryan.
You're making fun of me.
What?
I'm not making fun of you.
You know what the old gravel?
Fogo de Chao.
Challengers?
Andrea. Fogo de Chao. I'm gonna name this Fogo de Chao.
Should tag him, like put it on Facebook
Fogo de
too.
Chao.
Get a pen.
Fresh out.
I guess I have a phone here that has.
We have soap. Like yesterday when I drew out the pool on the table with my rag. It's like, well, here's the waterfall, and here's the cave with another waterfall. And here's the basketball hoop, and here's the bar.
Was it a wet bar or a dry bar?
You know, they probably had both. Yeah, they had both.
Okay.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. I think my first pina colada might have been a little.
Was it not dry? Or, no. Not alcoholic. So, let's go work on that tree. Come on. I would probably think that was cool too if my grandpa didn't have a church.
Shut up, Richard.
Woo!
Oh, that's what we heard earlier.
I knew what it was.
I asked you what it was, and you didn't say anything.
Well, I knew what it was. I thought you knew what it was too. That worked.
Shut up. That doesn't seem like a good idea. Yay! It's smoking! Now cut up here.
I'm Brad Bulmer, and I'm about to break a slide. Huzzah.
It's not done yet, dude. Okay, there you go. Go ahead.
Oh man.
I'm gonna try this one. That one's like sweaty now.
What makes him think that was going to get them?
Because it's not sweaty.
Carson, I'm betting I don't.
I was so close.
Do me. Alright.
He's getting ready for the climb. Don't be using logic with me.
Hey, I know.
I don't see how this could end.
I don't see how this could end badly. You were there, dude!
I know. You wouldn't have to climb as far if you stood on the table first and then went up.
I saw my
But we
light
just
flash
wiped
before
those.
my eyes. Wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't have to fart.
Might be soft. We're
Like I got up there and I was like,
Here. Ryan's gonna see this and be like, no.
Stand on the chair first, Mike. Stand on the chair first. Get the help or the table.
It's not so much. It's the height of it.
it's so scary up here.
I know. Break our heads off. That seems like a probable situation. Heads.
Once you get up that high, it's just like,
It's like, oh. That's what I did. I got out there. I'm like, oh no.
I'll try again.
Alright, here we go. We got
Do you want to use this pole? It's a fresh pole. Carson. There's Mariah in the background.
You want to try the chair first?
Flashbacks to freshman gym.
Okay, we'll try that pole. Maybe that will work.
Mike, what if you stood on my shoulders and got that?
Okay.
Okay. Somebody else film this.
Alright. Okay. Oh man. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
I was like, I don't know how high you need me to go.
Hey, Brad, you only have 3 more to go.
You have to hold it sideways.
This?
I can flip it later.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. I just had to get the
That hurt my shoulders.
Oh. Well, we got 3 more.